Hi, we are the Unplugged Live team, and we make camping and adventure videos in the Philippines. Right now, we are on a journey to showcase different campsites all over Negros Occidental. We want to share our experiences with you, the destinations we've been to, all of the sites and its scenic views. Join us in chasing adventures with a cup of coffee in between, falling in love with slow moments, appreciating the beauty of nature, and learning how beautiful life can be. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and sign up in this journey. We'd like you to be a part of the Unplugged Life crew. Hey guys, what's up? Another vlog, another camp. So before we head over to our campsite for today, we're gonna be having lunch here at MM's Bunny Cafe, the home of the first and the only rabbit cafe in the Philippines. That's me on the screen from an old vlog we did in their previous location. Recently, they moved to a new location and we're here today to try out their newly launched rice meals. So let's get into that. We just want to let you guys know that the meals that they serve here are the best. Like, we're telling you, so affordable, yet quality-wise, it's good. It's like one of those places that you enjoy eating at. Sometimes you just find yourself, craving for their meals and you suddenly want to go back and eat some more. After eating, we took some photos with the fam and, we just had a really good time in the cafe. You can always check it out for yourself. Feel free to visit them when you can. Before we hit the road, we went to the gas station first so we could fill up our tank. We definitely need to load up since it's almost empty because of all of our travels. One last stop we made before going to the campsite was the public market. We bought some vegetables there that we're gonna be using for dinner tonight. We got some snacks along the way and pretty much that's it. And now we're ready to set off to another adventure. Today's campsite is Bungyod Camp and Cafe, and we're pretty much excited to visit the place again. This is not our first time camping there. Basically, this is our second time. The ride on the way there is probably less than 30 minutes. It's not too far away. From Bacolod City, we took the Morsha Road going to Maao, and now we're here. Once we were done pitching the tent, we flew the drone, and this is the view that took our breath away. Sometimes people would ask us, what is your favorite type of camping? Is it beach camping, river camping, mountain camping, forest camping? To be honest, whatever it is, as long as it's camping, everything is beautiful. It doesn't really matter which part of the world you're coming from. Everything has a beauty of its own. Every single adventure is different. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, the view that you're seeing, this is our province. This is Negros Occidental, and it's only just a part of it.
Hey guys, good morning. We are with these people. This is Miss Daphne.
Hi, I am Daphne. Then welcome to Bungyod Camp and Cafe. Ito si Pet, Z, April, Jam.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
So far, the trek going all the way down here is beginner friendly. And even if you're not a fan of hiking or trekking or these kind of things, but still, you can do this. I've got a confession to make. Before, I didn't really like these kind of things, but now I do, and I'm living for these things. They say you'll never know you like something unless you really try it. And I think they're right. Sometimes it's not that we're scared to do something, or it's not because something looks hard to us. It's just that we've never tried it. That's why it scares us. It makes us uncomfortable. But that's the beauty of nature. It takes you to the most candid places. Out here, you don't have to pretend to be someone you're not. You will be truly embraced for who you are. If you make a mistake, if you trip, or if you fall, you still have the chance to stand up and rise again. There is no judgment here. When trails get hard, you can choose to rest. You can bring all your cards on the table, and you will still be valued for who you are. And you will discover things that you have never known before, or maybe even find your own people, new friends, new faces.
Now we're going to a quick, just additional 10 minutes hike.
We're a bit shy to vlog, guys.
Yeah, we're a bit excited to vlog because there's so many of us. Holding the rocks, girl. Man, this view is amazing. Oh.
Just like any other things, our adventure in this episode is about to come to an end.
Hi guys, so our adventure is done here. We're glad to meet some new friends from Iloilo City, and they're very kind and amazing people. Thank you for camping with us, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Bye!